Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding using old bread. This easy method transforms stale bread into a delicious dessert. First, gather your ingredients: old bread, milk, and eggs. Tear the bread into small 1-inch pieces. Then place the bread in a bowl and pour milk over it. Let it soak for at least 15 minutes, or until the bread is completely soft. This step is crucial for a smooth pudding texture. Once your bread is nicely soaked, it's time to add some flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk together eggs, sugar, and your favorite spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. Don't forget a splash of vanilla extract for that classic taste. You can also add other flavorings such as citrus zest or a dash of rum. Gently fold this sweet egg mixture into the softened bread, ensuring everything is well combined. This creates the rich custard base. Now that your pudding mixture is ready, pour it into a greased baking dish. Make sure to spread it evenly for consistent baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pudding for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. You'll know it's done when the top is golden brown and a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool slightly before serving for the best texture. Your delicious homemade bread pudding is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a drizzle of caramel sauce, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Feel free to experiment with additions like raisins, chocolate chips, or chopped nuts before baking for extra texture and flavor. This recipe is a fantastic way to reduce food waste and create a comforting treat. Also, for easy meal prep and other great deals, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.